Welcome. Today, we begin a journey that bridges the smallest building blocks of life with the vast, harmonious rhythms of nature itself. It's a story of connection, discovery, and, well, the hidden energies that shape our health and our world. In our Cosmic Shield series, we've journeyed from the unseen threats of cosmic particles to the revolutionary concept of dimensional resonance as the key to cellular health and disease. In Part 1, we established that particles are knots within a universal wave, capable of disrupting our cellular harmony. Part 2 envisioned the future of dimensional shielding and precision medicine. And in Part 3, we dove deep into the vibrant symphony of healthy cellular resonance, noting how cancer might be a dimensional disharmony, and how real-world sound frequency research hints at this profound truth. Today, we take the ultimate leap. If life and the cosmos resonate with underlying dimensional frequencies, can humanity become the conductor of this symphony? Can we actively take advantage of the effects of resonant frequencies informed by the 11-dimensional model, not just for healing our bodies, but to fundamentally alter and optimize our environment, ushering in an era of, well, unprecedented health and planetary mastery? Let's briefly revisit the core principle that underpins this visionary future. The 11-dimensional model posits that the universe is not a collection of inert objects, but a dynamic, interconnected field of energy and information, constantly orchestrated by the expansive 10th dimension and the contractive 11th dimension. Their interplay generates the universal wave, the very fabric of reality. Within this wave, all matter exists as localized knots of dimensional resonance. Every atom, every molecule, every cell vibrates at its own unique set of dimensional frequencies, its inherent dimensional harmony. Healthy biological systems are magnificent examples of this. Their cells, DNA, and proteins maintain a precise, intricate dimensional balance, a life-sustaining symphony that enables optimal function and vitality. This understanding moves beyond merely physical interactions. It acknowledges a deeper resonant layer to reality. If cancer is a dimensional disharmony, then the 11-dimensional model suggests that optimal health and biological enhancement are about orchestrating and maintaining our inner dimensional harmonies. The same principles that guide cutting-edge cancer research using sound and electromagnetic frequencies can be, well, expanded exponentially. Accelerated regeneration and healing. Imagine medical devices that, by understanding the precise dimensional frequencies of healthy tissue, could project targeted dimensional harmonics to dramatically accelerate wound healing, stimulate nerve regeneration, or even regrow lost limbs. This isn't just stimulating growth. It's providing the perfect dimensional tuning for cells to rebuild themselves flawlessly. Biological optimization, beyond just treating illness, dimensional resonance could be harnessed for peak human performance. Think of using specific frequencies to boost immune function, enhance cognitive abilities, or optimize metabolic processes for sustained vitality. This could allow for the body to always operate at its peak dimensional coherence, combating aging by restoring cellular youthfulness. Non-invasive diagnostics and wellness future personal devices could constantly monitor our internal dimensional resonance, alerting us to the slightest disharmony in a cell or organ long before any symptoms appear. This proactive dimensional health management would allow for immediate, non-invasive correction, making disease a rarity rather than an inevitability. This really is a future where medicine moves beyond chemistry and surgery, becoming an art of orchestrating the body's intrinsic dimensional symphony. The audacious power of dimensional resonance extends far beyond the human body. If all matter is composed of dimensional knots within the universal wave, then manipulating these resonances could allow us to fundamentally reshape our environment, becoming true conductors of reality on a planetary scale. Imagine being able to grow new materials, not in factories, but by influencing the dimensional resonance of the universal wave itself. By projecting specific dimensional frequencies, we could guide the universal wave's fluctuations, the eddies and riffles in our sluice box analogy, to condense raw energy or basic elements into complex materials, from advanced superalloys to sustainable construction materials, all on demand. This could honestly revolutionize manufacturing, resource scarcity, and even, well, terraforming distant planets. We could transform waste by altering its dimensional resonance, breaking down pollutants into harmless elements, or even restructuring them into useful forms. The constant push and pull between the expansive 10th and contractive 11th dimensions is, in fact, the engine of the universe. By understanding and precisely manipulating localized dimensional resonances, we might be able to tap directly into this fundamental, limitless cosmic energy. This could lead to clean energy generation methods far beyond anything we conceive today, rendering fossil fuels and their environmental impact obsolete. Pollutants, plastic waste, and even radioactive materials are just specific arrangements of dimensional knots. With precise dimensional frequency manipulation, we could theoretically disrupt the dimensional resonance of harmful substances, causing them to break down into inert components or even transform into benign materials. This offers a radical solution to environmental crises, allowing us to heal our planet at a fundamental level. And while highly speculative and requiring immense wisdom, a complete mastery of planetary-scale dimensional resonances could, in theory, even offer the ability to subtly influence atmospheric patterns or mitigate extreme weather events by restoring climactic harmony. This visionary future casts humanity in a new role, from passive inhabitants to active conductors of reality. Understanding dimensional resonance transforms us from observers of the cosmic symphony into its conscious participants. Such power, of course, comes with immense responsibility. The ethical implications of manipulating reality at this fundamental level would demand a collective wisdom and foresight unprecedented in human history. This journey of understanding the 11-dimensional model is not merely about scientific discovery. It's about unlocking our true potential to live in profound harmony with the universe. It's about recognizing that the magic of ancient wisdom and the power of future technology both spring from the same wellspring, the orchestrated dance of dimensions that shapes all reality. The 11-dimensional model of the universe invites us to step into a future where our understanding of resonance extends beyond sound and light into the very fabric of dimensions. It is a future where health is cultivated by orchestrating cellular harmonies, and our environment is shaped by manipulating the universe's fundamental frequencies. This is a universe not just to be observed, but to be consciously engaged with. Its symphony waiting for humanity to take up the baton. Join us for the next essay in this series as we continue to unveil the boundless possibilities unlocked by understanding the 11-dimensional model. The era of conscious creation guided by dimensional mastery awaits. Master the symphony of reality, explore the 11-dimensional model, watch the full series. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you enjoyed this, please share it with others and help us grow. Your support means everything. Stay tuned and see you in the next dimension soon.